Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start inside the Instagram app. Open Direct Messages now. Once done, scan your conversation list and tap the chat with the person whose call history you need. Make sure you selected the right chat because Instagram stores call logs per conversation. You're looking for the information badge or the media/info panel inside that thread. This is where call entries and recent activity appear. Proceed to the next step to reveal call-specific details and timestamps. Once inside the chat, tap the contact name or tap the info icon at the top to open conversation details. This panel groups media, links, and recent activity. Make sure to open recent activity to surface calls. You'll see entries labeled as video call or voice call with timestamps. If you need a full timeline, scroll through older activity. Remember why this works. Instagram links calls to each chat rather than a global call log, so you must inspect the right thread. Finish by noting timestamp, duration, and whether it was a video call. That gives you the essential history. If you don't see any call entries, make sure the app is updated and that your account isn't experiencing sync issues. Try force closing Instagram, restarting your device, or logging in on another device to rule out local cache problems. If calls still don't appear, consider reinstalling the app. These steps restore correct activity display in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.